To winter and the potential for lowland snow, we know crews will be ready to deal with slippery conditions, and that includes SeaTac Airport. Meteorologist George Waldenberger visited SeaTac to see how they get ready for when snow falls on the tarmac.
Planes land here, Seattle-Tacoma International Airport, 365 days a year. That includes during a snowstorm. So every Wednesday, Snow Fleet 1 and 2, they're out practicing removing snow from the runway.
We are good to go.
A choreography of plows pirouetting around the taxiway as planes take off and touch down nearby.
Kind of like a dance, right? You got to meet back up in the middle and not run into each other.
Rehearsal before a snowstorm is key, as there's no room for error between the plows and the planes in falling snow. Today's formation, the Flying V.
And that's where we'll get 8, 10, 12 pieces of equipment, and we'll clear it all in one pass.
Volunteers from other departments of the airport prep today as part of the crew. They'll also assist during bigger snowstorms. And today, I'm a volunteer.
Combo 17 ready to go.
Driving this Overassen RSC 250.
Copy that, 17.
Made in Norway, this plow can clear snow. Full throttle, full braking.
Not only am I maneuvering my big vehicle here, I also use this to change the placement of the snowplow.
Stay in tight formation.
So I'll cheat out a little bit farther than they do.
Yeah.
This is all as the planes are landing.
3 runways, the longest over 2 miles, along with numerous taxiways. Dry runs on a dry day are one thing. Once it's snowing, it's a different ballgame. Plow velocity 15 miles per hour as visibility can drop in an instant.
Our goal is 30 minutes or less on a runway to clear it. As soon as we're done, it's opened and they're right back on it, and we're closing the next runway and getting on that one. We keep this place going under any condition.
Almost 1 million travelers will depend on that this holiday weekend. George Waldenberger, KOMO News.
In some years, the snow clearing crews are very busy, while in others, they don't go out at all. But they are always ready for when the snow starts falling.